everyone and welcome for the Space Exploration Bot version 6 presentation. I will show you how to install and how to use the script in this video. So first, to install, you have to subscribe to the Steam Workshop page. It will download a folder into the directory I will show you. So you have to go into your Steam installation folder. Inside you go into Steam Apps, Workshop, Content, and you find this code, which is the Space Engine code. Inside this folder you will look for this code, which is the code of the add-on Space Exploration Bot. So you go inside and you will find the famous SAB folder. You copy this folder and you go into your Space Engine installation directory, which is Steam App, Space Engine add-on, and that's here that you paste the SAB folder. That's all for the installation. When I will update a new version of SAB, you will have a notification when you will launch the script that there is an update available, and you will have a button to proceed to this update, and it will do it automatically. So now to use in-game. First you have to launch Space Engine. And you have to make sure you are in planetarium mode. So here we are. After what, you go inside your SAB folder. You just paste into the add-on Space Engine add-on folder. You go into the SAB folder and you launch the SAB exe files, which open the SAB menu. And here you have a lot of parameters you can set for the preferred gameplay you want. There are 5 different gameplay. All of them, except the manual mode, but all of them will make the game plays all alone, chaining travels between locations. So for example, if you select save place, it will travel between your saved location. If you select random place, it will send you to random places that are deduced from your saved location. You can mix those two modes, so it will chain one saved place and one random location. And now we have a new mode, which is the experimental random mode. Here it will generate a location from nothing, so it won't rely on the saved place, and it will be the complete randomization of location, not if it is perfect for exploration. So I will show you an example. You have alongside the kind of target you want to visit in the gameplay. So for example, if I just want to visit planets, I will untick every corpse. I will keep the two last one. All details are in the README files. I won't explain all of them because it will take too long, but I invite you to read this README file. So now from the experimental, once you have set your parameter and set the gameplay you want, you click Start, and it will automatically run the script into the game. And starts going. It has found a location. It's going to run a tour onto this location. So there is a particularity in the experimental mode that you won't have in the other mode, is that between each tour it will test the existence of the location you want to send you to. And if the location doesn't exist, there will be an error message. And if you see the error message, he will try. So you might see about maybe up to 10 error message before he starts to send you to the location. This is normal behavior. This is expected behavior. So don't be afraid if you see error message blinking on the screen. That's part of the process. Only in experimental mode, you won't have this behavior in all other mode. There won't be any error message in all other mode. I'll just show you how it changed it for a better example. So this is a tour for the for a planet. We will wait for it to end. And this is what we call the planet surface tour, so it will land on the surface of this planet. And we'll try to get it on the sunrise to have the best scene as possible. So of course not all planets offers the best scene. This one is not very interesting, but it's just to show functionalities more than the best beauties we can see in this game. There is another video for good examples of sad tools. So now it has ended his first tour, and it will look for another place to go, and we should see some error message blinking like this. Once you have found a valid address, the error message will stop blink like this, and it will change his tour. It is normal behavior, and once again, you don't have this behavior in all other mode because it functions differently. If you want to stop the script, you open the console with the KU and you type just break. It stops the script and call back the set menu. I will now explain the special mode, which is the manual mode. So this mode, the game won't play all alone, and it will wait for you to select a target. So let's go in the Milky Way, for example. And if you center this target, it triggers a tours on it. It does it automatically. So you just have to select the target you want to do a tour on it and center it. So that's why it's called manual, because you decide to what you're gonna travel on. But here I've selected a galaxy for the example. But if you select a planet or a star or a nebula, make sure it is in the same galaxy than the one you are in, because you won't do intergalactic travel in this mode. That's all for Seb. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to try to contact me by letting a comment. Thanks for watching.